Hi there, YouTubers and RC enthusiasts out there. Thank you for watching my little video. I'm the RC Whisperer. So if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I will appreciate that very, very much. Just freehanding with video. What I'm going to do is today, as I mentioned in my other videos, with this awesome RC truck here, is build on a winch for my Primal hobby slash traction, RC Primal slash traction hobby Dodge Ram. I've got the little winch, and as you can see, it's a little Traxxas winch. So yeah, I just gotta get this drilled out. I didn't drill two holes a little bit bigger, and then just here next to the other holes, I just need to drill another hole just to get the servo fixed and mounted. So these two holes, I need to just drill a little bit bigger, and then yeah, just put it all back together. So on to the next part is getting everything drilled out and just see if it's going to work out properly. It will, obviously, so I know what I'm doing. See you in the next little video. Well, it was a bit tricky getting it in there, but I did it, so it works now. So yeah, let's get the body on, and then let's get something winching here. Oh, it works perfectly fine. So hope you enjoy this. Just a little video, and it took me about nearly 2 hours to get the winch installed and to put that all into video, so I don't want to bore you guys too much with that. But anyways, it works. I got it installed. It was a little bit tricky, but hey, it looks great. It works great. And then well, next onto the next little projects, because I did promise I'll make a video about installing the winch onto it. But I didn't install the whole thing. But anyways, hope you enjoy the next, or I hope you enjoy this little video. Onto the next one, and I'm going to be doing a trail video. See what happens in the future, which cars I'm going to be driving this time. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Alright, bye. See ya.